Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing some heavy lifting. Okay, well, not all by myself. Today I'm going to show you how I put in this fountain. All right, so let's get started. Well, the fountain arrived and I'm not sure what's in either of these boxes. Actually, okay, that one right there is probably the bowl. Well, what do you think? I'm very thankful that my father has bought a tractor. I thought it was kind of a impulse buy at the time, but it came in pretty handy today. So huge thank you to him and everybody that was involved in helping me get this fountain here. Oh, it was no easy task. All right, come back because I do have plans to plant underneath it. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.